AM po, ma'am. So, napapansin niyo po na andito na po yung code lahat. Kasi po, ma'am, nung habang nire-record ko siya, naka almost 30 minutes ako nang gawa. So, pag tingin ko po isang maximum lang record is 11 minutes. So, nakat siya, ma'am. So, ginawa ko na lang. Ganito na lang po. Then, i-explain ko na lang po, ma'am, kung paano ko po siya ginawa. So, let's start na po. The first thing is the objective is to design simple interactive console-based application that provide the menu operation that you choose po. Then, these are include the basic calculator, an odd and even number, the number checker, finding the highest or three number, and checking whether a given year is a leap year. This program is also handled by inputs and accept both uppercase and lowercase letters for user choice. So the first thing I do is the calculator. If you choose A, or it's either small letter or big letter A of the program, it performs addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Check if the divisor is 0 before division to avoid a runtime error. So let's see if if the calculator is running. I put big letter A, then I enter sample to the midterm examination that you give, ma'am. It's 100. The second number is 10. Then the sum of 110 is 110, and the difference of 110 is 90. Then the product of 110 is 1000. The quotient of 110 and 10 is 10. So as you can see, guys, it's all correct. So let's try small letter. As you can see, I put the small letter, then earlier I put big letter, so there's no problem. So let's 100. Yeah. So if you put small letter or big letter, there's no problem. It's same, guys. It's same. Then the second is odd or even. Let's move on to the other. First is this is the code that I made to create a calculator. I enter first number, second number, number two, and the second one is odd or even. So these are the code that I made. So it's same as calculator, guys. So as you can see, I put small letter B. So if I type, let's run first. Then if I put big letter, it is still running, guys. So example 88. Then 88 is an even number, guys. I'm going to clear. Then let's try oops, better even. Well, let's try B and 85. So 85 is an odd number. Let's move on to the next case, guys. the highest or lowest number. The highest or lowest number is request three integers. Compares them using if statements, identify and display the largest number or lowest number. Then let's try run first. We need to run first. Then letters. I'm gonna put letters C. Then sample is 56. Then the second number is 65. Enter third number. 65 is the highest number. So this case, I think I have wrong because it's in enter third numbers. So it's weird. May mali ako. Let's see guys, may mali ako sa third number. Oh, so kulang ang sign here. So let's try again guys. Sorry. Proceed. 56, 65, then 60. Then, as you can see guys, it's running. Then we move to the last case, the leap year. The leap year guys is if, as you can see, it is divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100, or it is divisible by 400. Then let's run first. Example, the users enter a year like 2024. Let's start then the users 2024. So 2024 is a leap year. The program checked the leap year condition using an if statement. Then let's try another one. Enter a leap year. Start going to, so 2022 is not a lot. And the last one is, let's try invalid input. Let's start J. So invalid input because the case is the J is not in the case guys. The invalid input is if the user enters a letter outside A, B, C, or D, or their lowercase version. The program uses default case of the switch statement to create the invalid input. So that's all. Thank you.